Hey guys, welcome back! I've got a special treat for you guys today. We're gonna make prickly pears with some chamoy. This is nature's candy. This is the chamoy that we're gonna use. It's called the Alamo. It's one of my favorites. And this is some chile suave. We're gonna sprinkle this in some salt at the end. In case you don't know what a prickly pear is, in Spanish we call them tunas. Be careful with these because they have little tiny espinas on them. This is how I like cutting them. It makes it pretty easy. Just peel the skin back like this. We're gonna peel all of them like that. I really like prickly pears. You can really make some great water with this. We're gonna cut them this way. My favorite are the red ones. Which one do you like better? Leave it in the comments. We're also gonna cut up a cucumber, un pepino. Chop, chop, chop it up. This is how I'm gonna set it up. Cucumbers first. Then the tunas. We're gonna add un limoncito. And squeeze. Go ahead and add a little bit of salt, but not too much. Just a pinch or two. Up next, let's add the chamoy. You can be as generous as you want with this one. It's completely optional. And last but not least, our chile suave. That looks good. It might need a little extra chile. We'll see. Let's try it out. You know I'm going for the red one first. Look at this beauty. That's good. Let's have us a little cucumber. Needs a little extra chile. This came out pretty good, but I have a couple red tunas left over. What can I do with them? How about we make some tuna sorbet? Okay, fine, I'm gonna eat this one, but that other one I'm gonna make it as sorbet. Let's go ahead and freeze it. Oh wait, this is frozen rock solid. Maybe I should have taken off the skin first. Oh well. Put it in the blender and add 2 regular spoons of sugar. Yeah, just 2 should be enough. Go ahead and blend it. That color looks so nice. Run it through a colander and put it in your container. We're gonna go ahead and freeze this again. We're gonna cover it with plastic wrap and we're gonna stick it in the freezer just for about 20 minutes. See you in a bit. And this is how it should turn out. I really love this color. That's so good. It's perfectly sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipes. Do let me know what you think in the comments. And that's it guys, see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!